Layla, come here. Say hi. Oh, that's so cute. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are about to head up to Mountain Creek today for Mountain Creek Vlog 5. And we are with the boy, Brian. And yeah, we're heading up there. It's gonna be a good day. It's partly cloudy, but it's always a good day on the mountain. So let's get up there. What's up, guys? We just got to the mountain, about to take a couple runs. It's our first chairlift up, and it's looking like it's gonna be a fun day. Let's get to it. Those two. How you doing? I figured. Alright, guys, so we just met up with another friend, our boy Vlad. He shreds, he rides fast, and he's hard to keep up with, so we'll keep riding now. That was actually sick. Oh.
I like that.
I saw you. Back at the car, middle of the day, getting some water, some granola bars, having a chill time. It's great weather out today, great conditions, so let's get back to it after we chow down.
I come to this mountain and I just spread cheer. This is where practically I live. I think that it's the best thing ever to go snowboarding. If you ever have the chance to, you should definitely take it up because it's something you will not regret nor forget for the rest of your life.
I'm gonna head out. Bro, great riding with you. Nice to meet you, bro. I'll see you. Better see you subscribe, my guy. Alright guys, we just got off the mountain. It was a super fun day. My legs are pretty shot now, but I'm really happy with the way I rode. It wasn't too busy. We were with good people, had good vibes, and had some good tricks. We're gonna go on to the most interesting comment from our last video. So this comment is coming from my last video, snowboarding with Ethan Silver. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. Good video, fun times. Anyway, the most interesting comment comes from Pause Break. He says, did you know that sneaky snakes can help predict freaking earthquakes? Yeah, and dogs and, you know, other animals. But thank you. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Peace.